How to generate AI logo on Android logo maker guides. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can generate AI logo. So for that we'll simply go to Gemini app because that was the best app to generate AI logo. Once we click on Gemini app, here you guys simply click on the plus icon. Here you guys can see gallery files drive. If you have pick of your raw logo, simply upload it. If you don't have, you are starting from scratch, simply click on these two icons. Now you guys will see create image, so simply click on create image. Here you guys will simply describe your idea of logo and logo name. So let's write our logo idea and name. The more detailed your prompt, the more detailed logo you will get. So I simply write a simple prompt. I will simply click on that icon. Here we will wait for some second to generate our logo. So let's wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go, how perfectly AI generated our logo. So you guys can use that logo in your any social app, or whether you are you freelancer, it will help. For downloading that logo, you guys will simply click on top right corner download option, and once we click on that, that's it. Our logo will be downloaded. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.